Welcome back to Moto Guzzi, and we're looking at fairings. Yeah, that one. I'm gonna paint it. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna paint all of it or some of it. So let's see. Kind of like the idea of that. If you can imagine what's black is white and what's blue is black. Right. Well, that looks a bit better. Masking leaves a little bit to be desired, but I have a cunning plan. And there we have it, albeit upside down. Cunning plan. Oh wait, I can spin the video around it and reverse it. No, you know. I don't. Front to back. Be rude not to carry the theme through, wouldn't it? Yeah. I think I like that. Something exciting's arrived. Hey, Mackie. And no, I'm not going to do an unboxing video, but that's as good as you're going to get in that respect. There it is. Shall we unwrap it? Not a bad paint job. I was half hoping it would come unpainted, actually, because some of them are shown unpainted. This one wasn't. It's not the fuel cap that it was advertised with, but I can live with it. I was hoping it'd be that old style kind of fuel cap. Anyway, there it is. Complete with two nozzles. Yeah, lovely. Shall we see if it fits? Why, yes it does. How about that? I rather like that. And it even fits to the mounts up there. You can't see that. It even lines up with the mounting points. How lovely is that? Nice. Very pleased. So unlike the original that I ordered, which I think was around 250 bucks, by the time this one got shipped with all the shipping and everything else from India, closer to 350 bucks. Yeah, but worth it actually. Looks like a reasonably good quality product with a good starting point for the paint, and it fits. Only thing is, it's a little longer than we were anticipating. So our seat is now further back. And we've got some options here, obviously. We can chop the seat. I might do that. Or we can just kind of rethink it a little bit. It's only, I want to say, like a couple of inches further back than we anticipated. I don't know. What do you think? If we did cut it, we could kind of shape that line to meet the back of the tank better as well. Quite like that idea. Suppose we should check out whether the Petcocks fit the nozzles. Now all I've got to do is remember where I put them. Well, in a box labelled Guzzi Petcocks, obviously. Perfect fit. I shall be leaving a shining review for the boys in India that made such a fine product. Excellent. So the other thing I've noticed is that side panel fits really nice and flush, and this one not so much. Needs to, it springs out. I need to fix that. Not sure how. That's the locking mechanism itself, and it just clips in there onto that thing there. So I guess if we, what should we do with that? Should we pull it out and push it in? Guess we should connect that as well. Well, I'm not going to do anything just yet. I'm going to let you decide in the comments. So let me know what you think. Chop the seat a little bit or just have it further back. So next time around we'll be looking at whether we chop the seat or not, how we fit the seat. We've got that kind of mount thing at the back, but that all depends on, of course, where the back now is. And we want to kind of hinge it if we can. Of course, we'll be painting the fuel tank, which will be exciting, so do tune in again for that one. If you thought this video was any good, give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe down here somewhere. And encourage others to watch my lunacy.